Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix Can't Set Up Work Profile in Microsoft Intune. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and open Accounts and Backup. Here, carefully check for any work account or Microsoft Work Profile. Open each work account one by one and remove it completely from the device. Next, go back to the home screen and uninstall all Microsoft apps from your phone, including Intune Company Portal, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and any other Microsoft-related app. Make sure no Microsoft app is left installed. After that, open Storage Settings and check your free space. Ensure that you have at least 10 gigabytes of free space available, as low storage can cause Intune setup to fail. Now reinstall the required Microsoft apps and try setting up the work profile again. So, that's basically how you can fix Can't Set Up Work Profile in Microsoft Intune. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!